Hi, I'm John Patrick Dean. I am the creator of Investigators High-Rise Hijinks, one of this year's World Book Day 2024 books. Normally when I'm reading, a lot of times I'm reading other graphic novels and kids books by fellow creators, because it's always good to see what else is out there that's similar to things that I do, or what other people might like that are similar to things that I do. So that's usually what I'm reading a lot of times. But I also really love science fiction prose books and some classic literature, Jane Austen. But one of the things that I want to read more of this year, follow me on this adventure, is the back of cereal boxes. Because as a kid, one of my favorite things to do, and in many ways how I learned to read, was reading the back of cereal boxes, like, you know, the sugary kind that have like the cartoon mascots and stuff, really the boxes, the kinds of cereals that your parents very rarely might get you, or maybe you'll have when you go over to a friend's house. And the backs of those boxes always have like puzzles and games and jokes and stuff like that. And now that I'm adult, I can eat that cereal whenever I want. So I'm really looking forward to being able to do that more, because it just brings back these childhood memories. So that's the kind of reading that's been on my mind.